Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to reduce the opacity part of picture in Photoshop. So get started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see reduce opacity part of picture. Now go to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now you can see then select from picture. Now click open. Now open the picture, the reduce part of picture in opacity. Now you go to the background. Now click from mouse right button option. Now click from layer from background. Now click OK. Then click from copy. Now in the others layer in the copy. Now select from first layer. Now go into the rectangle. Now select from rectangle tool. Now keyboard press Ctrl J. Then again first layer and select. Now keyboard press Ctrl X. Now you can say now select from second layer and opacity the 50%. That it's. Now you can see layer opacity part of picture in Photoshop document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.